What's up, mermaids? Welcome back to our channel, and for today's video is going to be a special video because we're going to unbox ang achievement nating lahat, guys. Thank you so much for everything, for subscribing, for watching the videos, and for interacting with us here on the Mermaid channel. So, ito na siya, guys. Dumating siya nung isang araw from where ba to? Singapore. From Grove Oaks, United States.
Oh, US pala yan.
So, ayan. Thank you so much, YouTube. Sobrang bilis nilang napadala. I think, wala bang 1 week when I emailed them. So, ayan. Na-receive ko na yung ating silver plaque. Hindi ko pa siya binubuksan, guys. Talagang hinintay ko tong pagkakataon na to. Moment na to. Para ma-unbox in front of you guys. And kasama si Sing, of course, sa pag-unbox. So, ayan. Kaya siya kasama kasi siya yung mag-unbox.
Ako pala. Kaya pala ako sinama dito. Ako yung taga-tanggal ng mga tape.
Siya yung magtatanggal ng tape. Ayan, guys. While nag-unbox si Sing nitong ating YouTube silver plaque, I would like to take this chance and this video to thank each and every one of you, all the people na naniwala and nag-trust sa akin sa mga reviews, sa mga sinasabi ko dito sa YouTube, and for natutuwa yung mga taong natutuwa sa amin ni Zing. Thank you so much. It means a lot to us.
Yes.
And this plaque, grabe, guys.
Salamat
super,
sa pagmamahal.
Oo, super. It's ours. Hindi lang akin yung silver plaque na yan. Sa ating lahat to, guys. Sa ating lahat ng mga mermaids dito sa ating channel. Maraming salamat. Wala na ako ibang masabi, guys. I'm so overwhelmed. And I can't believe na ma-achieve ko tong moment na to because before nga, when I first started YouTube, hindi ako ganun kaseryoso sa pag-YouTube. Like, hindi ako lagi nag-upload, pag-trip ko lang, ganyan. But when I started to pour my heart into it, put my heart into what I'm doing, and really love what I'm doing sa pag-upload ng videos, and pinaka-love ko sa part ng pagiging YouTuber is nasi-share ko sa inyo yung mga simple knowledge ko with stuff. And pag nababasa ko yung mga comments nyo na, Ate Martha, thank you so much sa tulong mo, nag-work sa akin yung product, or matagal ko ng problema to, but nahihiya akong makipag-usap sa ibang tao about this, and thank you for your advice, and yun nga yung mga nai-inspire daw sa love story namin ni Din, and ginagawa kami inspiration. Thank you sa inyong lahat. Ikaw, anong message mo?
Hindi. It just shows na if you put your heart into it, and you put hard work on it, talagang kahit sabihin na natin na wala namang monetary value yan, pero syempre, yung kumbaga, you get something from it, na talagang ma-appreciate mo. Yun talaga yung parang, yung fulfillment mo eh, diba? Tsaka syempre, hindi naman natin makukuha yan, or hindi mo naman ma-achieve yan kung hindi naman sa inyong lahat. Kaya maraming salamat. Kasi, you know naman kung ano yung pinagdaanan ng relationship namin, and yung pinagdaanan ni Martha dun sa anxiety niya. And ako personally, I'm really grateful sa inyong lahat na nandyan kayo to support her, na nag-interact kayo sa amin, sa kanya, tapos pinupush nyo siya. Pag kunyari may mga siya na may attack siya, or mga bad siya, nandyan kayo para sa kanya. Tsaka yung support nyo pag may mga nagbabash sa amin.
Oo, thank you.
Thank you so much. And yun lang, itong channel naman ni Martha is for everyone eh.
Hindi na ako makatigil.
It's for everyone naman eh. I mean, she created it to inspire people and to help people. Yun lang naman talaga yun. Alam niyo yun?
Sabi ko nga, it doesn't matter kung ang views ko sobrang konti lang. As long as may isang taong natutulungan yung video ko, yun, sobrang kontento na talaga ako dun sa part na yun, really, guys.
Totoo. Nakakatuwa yung may sasabihin nila na inspiration kami, or inspiration siya, or nakatulong kami in any way na we can. Alam mo, sa buhay ng isang tao, it's really a big one. Kahit hindi namin kayo kilala personally, 'di ba? As long as alam namin na yung media, yung ang tawag dito, yung social media helps other people from all over the globe. It's really a big one, 'di ba?
Correct.
So, yun na, go na.
Okay, let's unbox this, guys. Buksan na natin. Ay,
yan.
Itim lang.
Ito
oh
daw, ito.
Merong letter here from YouTube. Oh my God. Ayan na siya, guys. Wait lang. May letter. You've just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. We know that numbers on YouTube can get really big, but we hope that you don't lose sight of reality behind a 6-digit milestone. Napakatotoo nun, guys. Each and every person who subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you created. Sana talaga they were inspired, challenged, or entertained. You achieved this milestone with hard work, perseverance, and probably a healthy sense of humor too. What you've accomplished can be taken away from you, and we'd like to recognize you and all your hard work with this Silver Creator Award, a small token of our esteem and respect. We know that you don't do this for rewards. You do it because you have a drive to create and share, and because you've found an audience who cares. Totoo yun, guys. Believe us when we say that we can't wait to see what you do next. 1 million subscribers may seem a long way off right now, but you're closer than you think, and we're rooting for you. Congratulations. Sincerely yours, Susan Wojcichi, CEO of YouTube. Thank you so much, guys.
Ito lang, congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We're honored to take part in the organization.
From Society Awards. From Rick naman. Congratulations, card. Thank you. So, ayan guys. Ito na yung ating silver button. This one.
I'm really expecting it's big. Nung nakita ko siya na ganyan ka-flat lang, sabi ko, yung ganyan pala siya.
Ang ganda nga niya. Okay yung ganito kalaki kasi pwede mo siyang i-display sa background while you're filming.
Yeah, and you have your name on it.
Yes.
So nice.
Presented to Martha Jonte for passing 100,000 subscribers.
Move it,
Pero actually guys, dapat hindi ko lang pangalan. Dapat pangalan nating lahat to guys.
Mermaids.
Dahil ito ang simbolo ng ating pagmamahalan. Ang simbolo ng ating
walang hanggan.
hard work. Kasi guys, ako, honestly, I work hard to create videos for you. Pero kayo rin naman.
Totoo.
You work hard to watch my videos.
To comment.
And to comment. And to comment back pag nag-reply ako sa inyo. So,
Yeah.
it's all our hard work rolled
Totoo
into
yan.
one. That's why we achieved this award, guys. Because tulong-tulong tayo ng effort. So, this
Totoo
one is for all of you. And for Zing. And for my hard work. And
Yes.
thank you so much, Lord, for this.
Yes, of course. You offer this to God and to all our mermaids.
So, ayan guys, kung nakikita nyo medyo shiny, shimmering, splendid siya
Yeah,
sa video. Ayan guys. Ayan
Flat
siya.
lang siya. Kasi sa likod
Oo.
parang velvety whatever lang.
Ang ganda niya guys. Super.
Personalized siya, which is really nice.
I love it. Thank you so much, of course, YouTube, for giving us a platform to share our knowledge and our talents.
Yeah.
Yes, and for giving us a platform to be an inspiration to a lot of people. And ang message ko sa mga aspiring YouTubers na mga nagme-message sa akin na, Ate Martha, how do you deal with this? How do you deal with that? How to be a YouTuber like you, ganon. When you're first starting YouTube, make sure that you will think of content na unique. Content na hindi lalayo sa personality mo. Content na mag-e-enjoy kang gawin. Kasi mahirap kapag yung content na ginagawa mo is hindi mo gusto at hindi ka nag-e-enjoy. Makikita ng tao yun sa output mo pag pinublish mo na siya. And number 2, don't focus on numbers. Don't count. Don't compare your numbers to other YouTubers. And just focus on your channel. And, each and every step that you take, every progress is still progress kahit mabagal. Kasi gano'n yung sinasabi ko sa sarili ko na 3 years na ako sa YouTube, parang ang bagal ng angat ko before, gano'n. So, parang medyo madadown ka kapag gano'n. Pero, when I started focusing on my content and the subscribers that I have, parang napansin ko mas better siya. Yung feeling ko, being a YouTuber, mas fulfilling siya.
Yeah.
So, wala na siyang nasabi.
Hindi kasi actually, to be honest, being an influencer is really a job. Why? Kasi you put time on it. You put effort on it. Nag-iisip ka. Hindi lang yung basta-basta lang na shoot ka, basta lang may ma-post ka, ganyan. Diba? Kaya, alam mo yun, parang, yan talaga yung parang kapag nasa office job ka, you have to have a dedication. Dapat dedicated ka. Dapat may hard work ka. Para ma-promote ka. Parang ganun yan diba? O kaya, tumaas yung sweldo mo. Or ma-appreciate ka ng boss mo. Parang ganun. Same thing with being a YouTuber. Alam niyo yun? Sila, like Martha, I can see kung gaano siya ka-dedicated. Yung heart niya nandun Kaya ngayon sinasabi niya, like, sa mga bagong influencers ngayon, dapat, gusto niyo yung una-una, gusto niyo yung ginagawa niyo. Pangalawa, dapat kumbaga, hindi mo iibahin yung personality mo sa YouTube na ipopost mo, dun sa personality mo, ikaw sa tao.
Thank you so much again. Ang dami ko ng beses nagpasalamat sa inyo.
Kasi yun na naman sasabi natin
Oo, hindi
sa
ako
kanila.
magsasawa sabihin yun kasi alam ko na dahil sa inyo, kaya ako to nakuha, kaya natin to nakuha because of all of us.
Yes.
Thank you so much, mermaids! And alam niyo naman kung gaano ko kayo kamahal. I love you all, guys. God bless!
Thank you so much, guys.
Bye!
Bye.
Summer!